Hi guys, welcome back. Sherry here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make Sky King plane by Takuo Toda. It's a very nice model, and it is also it's a world record version 2. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make this one. It has a very nice flight, and at the end of the video I'll show you how it flies. I hope it will do something very good. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Guys, for this tutorial I'll be using blue origami A4 sheet. If you want any other rectangular paper, or you can use origami sheets or A5 sheet, or you can use any color. Okay, so the first step is to crease it into half. Make sure it is on the line, and now crease. After you are done, open it back up, and now what you have to do is to make it this one, like this point. Open it back up and line it like this. Crease. Now the next step is to inline this in with the middle line. So when you are here, fold it like this, fold into half, and make sure that you have a little bit distance here left, like a thumb margin, and fold it in like this. After you have completed this step, now the next step is to fold it again into half. And now what you have to do is to align this line over here, like this. Crease. Now same from the other side. When you are done, you close it back. So after you complete this step, now the next step is to fold this point till this point. Crease. Now open it back up, and now fold it into half like this. Yes, guys, the next step is your plane is like this. So the next step is to align this point onto this point. Like this. Open it back up. Open the pocket. Now what you have to do is to inline this point onto that point. Okay, like this. Give a crease. And your plane will look like this. So now what you have to, next is to a reverse fold, is to reverse fold it like this. And now give a crease. So now our plane is bit flying is almost ready, and now what you have to do is to you'll make a crease till this line. Wait guys, yeah, I forgot one step, sorry. You have to take this point and inline with this point. Yeah, and now crease it back. Guys, this is a very important step for this plane. And now your plane is almost ready. So now you will crease it till this line, like this. Make sure that your back side, make sure that your plane back side is in line with the line, like this. Turn it upside down and do it same thing from here. And make sure that they are both aligned properly. Like this. Now open back. This is almost ready. So the next step is to fold the flaps like this. Also from the other side. You can attach like both sides to make sure that they're both equal. And now they're both equal. You can open the back up, and this is how you make a Sky King plane. Your plane is ready. So now let's go for the test. Guys, this is my Sky King plane, and 3, 2, 1. That was very nice flight, straight to the point.